model, 2013 Ford Transit Custom 290 Limited 2.2 Tdci E-tech non-runner needs engine repairs no VAT. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 241084. Engine, 2198 cc 2.2125 PS TDCI-B. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: engine does not start and won't turn over, bottom end bearings are knocking. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features: electric windows, alloy wheels, air con, parking sensors. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 0740111997223.